Hi everyone, how's it going? I hope you're fine. Have you ever wondered what's the difference between Ходить и Идти? If yes, then stay tuned and follow me while I'm explaining the differences in order to learn how to use them properly. Let's start with Ходить. And a really important thing to remember about here is that this word is used for repeated and regular action. So for example, я хожу на работу каждый день. Я хожу на работу каждый день. So, I go to work every day. Or another example, я люблю ходить в спортзал. Я люблю ходить в спортзал. So, I like going to the gym. So as you can see, here we have this repeated action which happens regularly. And then we have идти, which is rather used for a singular action or when something is happening at this moment. Let me give you a few examples. So for example, я иду в магазин. Я иду в магазин. So I'm going to the store right now. And then we have this. А куда ты любишь ходить? А куда ты любишь ходить? Like which places you like going to. So that's it, and most importantly is to remember that we are going to use ходить when we're talking about repeated actions or maybe actions that happen regularly. And then we have идти. It's when we're talking about something that happens at this moment or a singular action. I hope you find this video useful. Consider subscribing to my channel, and until next time.